Have you ever entered your home after lunch only to instantly smell the dish you prepared hours earlier? With this Tesla decorative hood, cooking smells stay only where you want them. The elegant design of this particular model means it will go seamlessly with any modern kitchen, adding to the aesthetic appeal. And no matter how high your kitchen ceiling, the double chimney system allows the inner chimney to extend out to any preferred height for the perfect fit. And if your first association to a hood is noisiness, let us reassure you. Thanks to the special motor design, our hoods work quietly, so you can listen to music or simply enjoy cooking without distraction. You can also choose between different levels of ventilation power. And lastly, all our decorative hoods also work energy efficiently. Enjoy a lovely cooking experience every day with our Tesla devices.